Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'd just like to draw your attention, if you're a property portfolio landlord, about our article about strategic property portfolio disposal. This is unlocking tax efficiency with purchase lease options. So you may have a lot of properties like this one on the picture, or other sorts of properties, and you may be feeling some pain at the moment owing to interest rates, and you may be considering disposal of your portfolio. Now, this is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning, especially when it comes to optimizing tax efficiency. One strategic approach gaining traction is the use of purchase lease options. Not only can this method streamline the sale of property portfolios, but it also offers opportunities for sellers to arrange transactions to their advantage in terms of capital gains tax. So what I'm talking about here is progressive sale of properties over a number of years, so as to take advantage of the capital tax allowances. And then what we'll also do is look at other ways of tax efficient disposal of property using SAS pensions. So effectively what we can do is we can set up a bespoke arrangement for you. Every person is different, has a unique tax situation. We will look into the best way to arrange a purchase of your portfolio using purchase lease option and setting up a SAS pension to facilitate the disposal of the portfolio and payment of the amount of remuneration for sale of the portfolio progressively using purchase lease options and also SAS pension and also a structured deal. So effectively this is a means whereby you get the most remuneration for your portfolio, and you get it in a tax efficient manner. So in the UK, capital gains tax is applied to the profits made from the sale of the assets. So if you haven't sold the property yet, then you don't pay the capital gains tax. So what we work out is for you, what is the best way to make the most tax efficient spreading out of capital gains. So rather than selling all the portfolio properties at once, a seller can opt to use purchase lease options to stagger the transactions over multiple tax years. This can potentially lower the total capital gains tax liability as gains are spread out, allowing the seller to make use of annual CGT exemptions and lower tax bands. And then what we'll do is we'll keep abreast of changes in the tax laws as they happen, and we'll also look at opportunities for managing your disposal using change of ownership, either through purchase via a company or purchase via individuals. So sellers need to carefully consider the timing of the exercising of the purchase option, because selling properties when the seller is in a lower tax bracket or during favourable market conditions can help optimise the tax efficiency. So what we'll do is we'll introduce you to tax professionals who specialise in property transactions and capital gains tax, and they can help you to navigate the intricacies of tax planning and ensure compliance with all the relevant laws. So, in conclusion, what we're suggesting is a strategic approach to portfolio disposal. Utilising purchase lease options for property portfolio disposal can offer a win-win situation for both sellers and buyers. We have investors who are looking for properties. Many of our investors are overseas and are looking for UK property investments at the moment. you can sell to these investors, and in fact you can take advantage of the fact you get rental income under the lease part of the purchase lease option immediately. The new purchaser takes over the maintenance of the property, so you essentially maintain cash flow from the property without having any of the maintenance liability, and you know that the portfolio will be bought by the new purchaser within a period of time that's agreed between us. It might be up to 3, 5, 7 years, but whatever the agreed period is, that we will conclude the purchase arrangements as set out in the purchase lease option. The timing of transactions can vary depending on each individual circumstances, and essentially to minimise the tax burden for the seller. So it could be a very attractive way for you to receive payment of your remuneration for the sale of the portfolio, the capital sum, into a SAS pension, which makes it a more efficient way of you receiving the money. So what we're saying in summary is we combine the benefits of purchase lease options and thoughtful tax planning, and this allows property owners to embark on a journey of efficient property disposal while optimizing their financial outcomes. That's really the nub of it. You optimize your financial outcome as the landlord, selling your property portfolio in a considered way over a number of years. So if you're interested in this proposition, then give me a call. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.